The 22nd annual Race for the Cure is now a month away. The date, October 4th.
This event is about hope, passion, inspiration, celebrating survivors and raising money so that patients in every part of the city can be screened for breast cancer.
And here to help us kick off our month-long preview, Komen Nebraska Executive Director Karen Daneu from Charles Drew Health Center, Community Navigator Tasha Tyson. Good to see you both of you this morning.
Nice to meet you, Karen. Welcome
back.
back.
Yeah, Karen, this is that time of year. I always correlate football season with Karen Daneu because we have a lot of things going on. But kind of a loaded question, what's new?
What's new? You know, we're moving from downtown to the new Baxter Arena. We're very excited about being the first public event at that arena. On October 4th, early in the morning, our supporters will be able to gather there, and then we'll walk across the street and start the race, the 22nd race, through Exarban Village and Elmwood Park.
Such a neat deal for people to be able to be part of it, but it really is this community. It's about fundraising, and important to emphasize where money raised goes.
Right.
A good bit of it stays in the state of Nebraska, doesn't it?
75% of our net proceeds stay here for programs for education, screening, and treatment. And we're very happy this year that we're able to award our grant to Charles Drew.
Yeah, and Tasha, that's where you come in. You got to be happy about that.
Very, very happy. We're honored.
Is there a specific program when Komen Nebraska says, okay, here's the money, you've earmarked it for something in particular,
yes.
I presume?
Yes, we've designed a breast cancer or breast health initiative program where we've decided to give women an incentive of sorts to engage in getting their health care screening. So any woman who completes a mammogram, we will give her a $15 gift card, just kind of as a thank you for taking care of your health, taking that initiative to stay healthy. In the event that you go to your mammogram and you have to return for additional views or anything like that, if you complete that appointment as well, we will reward you with a $25 gift card just to say, great job for following up. Your family loves you and needs you here, so thanks for taking care of your health.
And these type of services are so critical. And one of the things I was learning when I was reading about the segment is there's some disparities in terms of breast health for African American women. Can you help us break that down a little bit?
Well, one of the things, or several things that contribute to disparities would be cultural differences, social economic problems. Our most vulnerable members of our community being our homeless, those women wouldn't normally have access to healthcare screening, so we're reaching out to those women to get them those services.
You're eliminating barriers
yes.
to care. Are
yes.
you seeing a difference as some of these programs really have a chance to flourish? What are you noticing in terms of the number of patients coming in and how they're doing?
Well, what we're noticing is that the need, what we've always known is that the need is really great and that it's really there. Making it available for women, letting them know that there is help for them, that there is something that that can help them, so that women are reaching out more to us and saying, this is something that I wanted to do, but I didn't know how to start, where to go. So being there to help them navigate through that process has been really, really wonderful.
Karen, we'll be breaking this down all month long, but can you give us a few other examples of how money raised through Race for the Cure helps with these type of programs?
Sure. So we have this education, which is so important, giving access, and like Tasha said, breaking down those barriers. We also provide some statewide services. Say we have a breast legal hotline through the legal aid. So if you have breast cancer and you have a legal issue, you can call that hotline and talk to somebody about financial concerns, about disability, about even end-of-life issues. So that's another example.
Over the years, do you know how much you've raised?
I know exactly, Mary. I do. It's $6.5 million we've given back in grants.
That's
and then
amazing.
We've also given over $2 million in breast cancer research dollars. Now again, that money is pooled in with all the other Komen affiliates. to the tune of $847 million that Komen has invested in research.
It's just amazing. So we've got 11,000 friends and family going to be down at the new Baxter Arena.
New Baxter Arena
on October 4th.
Yep.
So prior to then, how can our viewers sign up? And maybe they're going to do this alone. Maybe they want to form a team. Karen,
and a
what
team
can they do?
is so much fun. You know, you have that support of your best friends, your colleagues, people that may have been touched, but it's just a lot of fun. Of course, online, www.komennebraska.org. We have a much easier process this year for both picking up your shirts and also signing up. We have incentives. We have really neat T-shirts this year that reflect how special this event is.
And it's coming up October 4th, and we've got a month long dedicated to learning more about the research that's being done and the other programs you have to offer. And
We are
looking forward to
passionate.
Tasha, great to meet you as well.
Thank you for being here. Karen, we'll see you again real soon.
Well, thank you.
Thank you.